Right now, 9 out of 10 people visiting your store are on their phone, and it's 90% of your traffic. But are you actually converting them? More than half of those people they leave not because of your product, not because of your price, not even the solution that you're providing. It is because your page on mobile is really hard to use. And this is what most snack brands look like on a phone right now: tiny buttons, too much text, and no clear place to tap. So let me tell you about a founder I know. So he sell really good chili chips, and they great taste, have a good packaging, and he start running ads, and traffic, actually a large amount of traffic starts coming in. He check his phone every morning thinking today is the day sales go up, but sales are not moving. He checks the number. 8 out of 10 people who visit his page, they just leave. No buy, no add to cart. And they just go. And that is money just walking out the door every damn single day. What does he do? Like all other founders, he think maybe my products photos are bad, maybe my prices is too high, maybe I need better ad, and he spend more money on ads, more traffic come in, but same result. 8 out of 10 people still leave. Product was never the issue, the page was the problem on the mobile. In the next 7 minutes, I will show you the 5 things killing your mobile sales and give you a list so you can fix today. No agency, no developer, no money needed. And the best part, at the end of this video, I will give you free tools and a ways to increase your conversion by 20% in just 24 hours. So let's go. Killer number 1: mobile is not equals to desktop. They are different user, different behavior, and different rules. And what I mean by this, picture two people right now. Person 1 is at home, big screen, coffee, no rush, and they will read, they will compare, and they have time. But person 2 is standing in a queue, one thumb distracted, and they have maybe 3 seconds and before they put their phone down. So same website, two different worlds. And so what most brand do, they build a beautiful desktop page, then someone say make it mobile friendly, and they just take everything and stack it top on of each other. Left column goes up, right column goes below, and done. And they call it responsive, and I call it lazy. Look at phone 1. Where do you tap first, huh? What do you even look? Everything is fighting for your eye at the same time. Now look at the phone 2. Big headline, one image, one button. You tap, done. 3 seconds, same product, one page win. And here is the big myth. People think mobile means show less content, remove stuff, make it smaller. Wrong. That's not the game. Mobile means making the next step so obvious a 5-year-old could do it with their half eye open. And that is the whole game. And the killer number 2: tiny buttons. I know that sounds obvious, but it's not. Now imagine that is your customer trying to tap your button on your store, and while they are standing in a queue or sitting in the metro, and that annoying ads and that small frustration is enough to make them close the tab and never come back. On desktop, 48 to 52 pixel is fine. People are using their mouse and they can aim precisely. But on mobile, you need at least 52 pixel. Go up to 64 if you can. But because people are using their thumb, and thumb are not precise. So think about this way. Your thumb tip is about 44 pixel wide, and if your button is smaller than your thumb, someone is obviously going to miss it. And also pick a color that is used nowhere else on your page, that is unique on your page. One color just for the button, nothing else. Third, change the copy, not buy now or just book a call. Try get mine now or grab your drink, I want this. Something that feels like a reward, not a transaction. And fourth, add a one short trust line right above the button. Free delivery or no risks, or a testimonials from 500 customers you can, whichever fits your brand. It removes doubt right at the moment of decision. And the fifth, make it sticky, so as your customers scroll, the button follows them and they never have to scroll back to find it. And the clear number 5 is fake stock photos, the generic image that kill trust. And what I mean, Let me show you. So you open Shopify, set up your store, add some product, and the photos you just use the one from a suppliers, right? Clean white background, product look nice, done. But here is what actually happening. Your customer land on your page. They think, wait, is this even a real store or is this just some drop shipper who just copy paste everything? Because that same product photo it's on 40 other stores, same exact images, and this is where you are losing sales without even knowing it. And your customer wanted to feel something, they wanted to imagine, okay, what does this look like on me, in my home or in my life? But white background photo doesn't do that. It feels cold, it feels generic, it feels like you don't really care about your product. And if you don't care, why should they buy? So here is the fix. Shoot real lifestyle photos. Show your product being used. Someone wearing your hoodies at a coffee shop, or your candle on a cozy night table, or your water bottle at the gym, or someone holding your can at their hand while smiling. That's what makes people stop scrolling. And if you want data, run A/B test. Supplier photos versus your real life style photos. And 1 week, I promise you, the lifestyle photos wins every damn single time. And real photos build real trust, and real trust builds real revenue. And here is the real example how you can add the photos in your landing page as well. You can add this as your product page and at the bottom of your landing page as well. Photos you can collect from your social medias, just integrate it on your website. That can significantly improve your conversion rate. And the killer number 4, review buried at the bottom. Tell me if this sounds like you. You have reviews, good ones. Customers saying your product changed their skins, or it fit perfectly, or it arrived very super fast, and you worked hard to get those reviews. But on your stores, they are getting at very bottom. Think about it this way: your customer land on your product page. They don't know you, they never ordered from you before, and in their head one question is running: can I trust this store? And in these 5 seconds they are scanning your page for a reason to say yes, but all they see is your product photo and a big add to cart button. No reviews, no proof that anyone has ever bought this thing. So they close the tab and they go to buy from Amazon instead, because Amazon shows the review immediately. And here is what you do: take your best reviews, ideally one with a photo, and move it right below your product title. Add a star rating line under the product name. Even a just generic 4.9 from 3.4 reviews does the job. And please don't use a review carousel. It hides most of the time. Just show 3 to 4 real photos review statics above the fold. Let your customers see real people with a real result before they even think about leaving. And that one change alone can bump your conversion rate by 20 to 30%. No ad spend needed. Now you know the killers, but knowing is not enough. You need to actually fix them today. So I made you a super simple checklist. Just 4 things. You can do all of this in 24 hours. And hey, the full checklist with all details, it's in the description below. So grab that checklist after the video. But right now, screenshot this slide. Seriously, do it. Fix number 1. Swap your stock photos. Go take 3 photos of your product today with a real person in a real place and upload them to your store. Fix number 2. Move your best reviews to the top. Fix number 3. Rewrite your headline. Open your store, read your headline out loud. Does it say what the customer gets, or does it say what the product is? And if it sounds boring, rewrite it today. One sentence, one clear benefit. And that's all. Fix number 4. Fix your CTA button. Open your store on your phone, and is the add to cart button visible without scrolling? Is it even bold color that pops up? And if not, move it up, make it bigger, and make it possible to, and make it impossible to mix. So 4 fix, 1 day, no excuses. Full checklist list is waiting for you in the description, so go and grab it. Let me show you that one tool that makes all of this so much faster, because I know what you are thinking. I'm not a writer, I don't know how to rewrite the headline or a product description, and that's okay. You don't have to be. Just open Claude, It's a free AI tool. It's honestly like having a personal copywriter sitting right next to you. And here is exactly what you do: open Claude, paste your product name and what it does, and then type this prompt. And that's it. In 30 seconds, you have 5 headline options. Pick the best one and done. And here is the real world example that we use. It changed from premium stainless steel water bottle to stay hydrated one. And it feel personal. It showcased the real result. And the best part, it sound like a human wrote it, not a robot, because you are giving it a real context about your real product. So stop starting a blank screen. Just talk to Claude like it's your copywriter, and it save your hours. Alright, so before you go, here is what I want you to do. 1. The full checklist is linked in the description. Go download it. It has everything we covered today plus more free. Second, if you want more stuff like this, come find me on a LinkedIn. I post actionable tips for e-commerce stores owners every single week. And 3, if you want to go deeper and actually fix your store properly, visit our website. All the resources are waiting for you. So now stop watching and go open your store, pick one fix and do it today. So see you in next one.